give me some candy before I go. Oh darling, I'll kiss your eyes and lay down on your rug. Just give me some candy after my hug. Oh, I'm often found explaining, but the hurt lays out all the same. And although I'm defeated, it gets held against my name. I know you got plenty to offer, baby,
Audionic, the
but I guess I've
Soundmaster.
taken quite enough. While I'm some stain there on your bedsheet, you're my diamond in the rough. Darling, I'll bathe your skin, I'll even wash your clothes. Just give me some candy before I go. Oh darling, I'll kiss your eyes and lay down on your rug.
Turn on filter
Just give
pan.
me some candy.
You can also attach the dogs with this thing, and you can charge this. And this is a super cool thing. Hope so you guys like it.